My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Hello, my gardening family. Welcome and welcome back to another daily gardening with Stacy. I am so happy to have you. Thank you so much for your support. Welcome to the new gardening family. I appreciate all of you, new and faithful supporters alike. Thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate you. So today I'm doing some garden cleanup, random garden cleanup, like anything or anything. I'm just getting whatever I can get done, done. Because I did put back my garden together, but I didn't do any refine cleaning, like to clean up my plants or anything. I am sweating like a pig. It is very hot, but I just have to do what I have to do. So, finish up with me. So, these tomato plants, they have been struggling. And this is a yellow pear tomato, and it has been fighting for its life. I mean, it got a lot of blooms for the past couple of weeks or maybe months, but they're just not producing. I think they eat, but they're still fighting. I was just going to get rid of them, but then I say, you know what? Let me just clean them up one more time. I see I have these tomatoes right here. These are regular Jamaican cherry tomatoes. They have been fighting as well. I see some brand new growth. It seems as if they still have some potential. So instead of pulling them out and throwing them away, I'm giving them one more chance. One more chance. All right. I am pruning them right now. I have tomatoes that I sowed, but they're not ready to be transplanted. No, this eggplant, it just need to, it needs to go. Go, 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 go. No, this is firmer than I thought. Oh, whew, and that root system, man. Look at that root system. No, I am going to clean up this cucumber plant. See if I can get some more time out of it. It is looking really, really bad. And it has cucumbers on it, you know? Has cucumbers coming up. The zinnias right here. Oh, this one breaking off. Look at that. This one is breaking off. And it still have a beautiful bloom on it. I'm going to catch them up however I can. See, this is my custard apple tree. Look at the lizard right there. Look there, guys. Look at him. Boy, I've been seeing quite a lot of lizards lately. So I'm going to clean up this. I'm going to put on my gloves and clean it up properly. Fix the zinnias. They're all over the place. I wouldn't be able to capture this for you guys because it's going to take me a little time. So I'm going to get it done and show you the finished product. Yeah. So I am just tying up my dragon fruit. I have to keep directing it to go up. When it gets up top, then it can do whatever it wants to. But for now, I have to get them going up. I'm trying to avoid it from pricking me. Alright. Can stay like that. Just like this. Alright, so I'm going to tie it. Guys, you know my space is very small, so it is a struggle to get some things done, but I do it nevertheless. I get it done nevertheless. Alright, this one coming up. This one can't go in that now, you know. I wonder if I can pull this one. I maybe have to cut this one too and replace it so that this one can go inside here. These can continue to go for now. Guys, look at my peas. Just look at my peas. You can see where the snails, because you can see their trails. They have been feasting on my peas, my round red peas. Feasting, feasting, feasting. I am trying to get my seriously in control. So I'm just taking them off the peas. My red peas first. My round red peas. Wow. Seriously, I reach up here, so too. What's that? Why with yourself, man? Miss seriously. Alright. I'm gonna let them lean to this side. Oh! My. One of the dragon fruit thing right there. Going. Prick me. Alright, so I'm going to let them stay like that. These are string beans over here. String beans. Alright, let's focus now. Focusing on this seriously. I don't need it to come over this side. I don't need it to. Look at this sunflower right here. So pretty. My sunflowers are dwarf sunflowers, you know, guys. So the big one that I showed you the other day over there, I don't know how it becomes big. They ought to be dwarves. But it seems as though the pack was mixed because I'm seeing dwarf ones. Oh, this is a papaya. I could get a container and put this in there, you know. I'm not going to do anything to this. I'm not going to take it out. Maybe in the future, but not now. Alright, so my gooseberry is right here. Struggling in this. Well, not struggling as in its growth, you know. All tied up in the seriously. So I'm just trying to get the seriously contained. Well, seriously is not a thing that you can too contain, you know, but may I try. I am trying. I don't want to give it a haircut. Alright. I don't play when it comes to giving my seriously a haircut. I want to get them down. I want them to stay down. That is what I want. Them to stay down. So each time they come up on here, I take them off. My chayote is struggling but fighting. So I have a little piece there trying to survive. I might have to get a few more chayote and plant. Some things can be grown inside here. You know. See, I have space, man. The Cersei was taking up all of the space. See there? I have space inside here. Space, space, space. Some little simple things that I would do off camera, like this cucumber. I will straighten up this part, and it has cucumber now coming. It looks like Chicago pickling, but I thought it was market more that I sowed it. Guys, I just took off all the dead branches, the little branches that were here, throw them down there. Do you remember that I had paused recording, but I did take them down. Yeah, so I did take down some here. Some of these branches. Girl, working, working, working. I'm not recording, but that's how it is sometimes. Happens to me all the time. I am just loosening my sugar cane a little and take off some of these dry leaves that can come off. The tops are so damaged. So damaged. Evening. Can leave it at that. Can leave it at that. My knee is lasered. So guys, this is a little that is left of my cucumber over on this side. I do see some trying to come up, so I am just going to let it stay. My garden needs some food. Hopefully I'll get some more fruits before it goes to naught. So the zinnias, I just put them on the sides. I just tie them to the side like that. So hot. I won't be able to record everything, guys. Simply because I have to get moving, and for me to have the camera to tag along, it is going to take some time. And I don't want to have a year long and drawn out and boring. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. And until next time, which is tomorrow, see you and walk good.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live.